The National Hurricane Center has issued their 2 p.m. advisory, and not much has changed since the 11 a.m. advisory. We are still looking at Tropical Storm Debby here, although it is still continuing to show some signs of weakening. We have winds now at 65 miles per hour as opposed to 70, and the pressure has gone up just a touch. So that's good news as it continues to push over the southeast corner of Georgia, hoping that we continue to see signs of weakening. And models still agree that it's making its way towards the northeast, but we still have some uncertainty past Wednesday, and I'll show you what our models are looking like here in just a moment. But here is a look at our satellite here in central Georgia. Already starting to feel some impacts from this storm. We can see some rain bands making their way into our southeastern counties, and they're going to continue to have rain for the rest of today and into tomorrow as well. So going on taking a closer look, looking like our counties here towards Montgomery, Telfair, and Wheeler, starting to see the highest impacts from this system, likely the heaviest rainfall, and our rainfall totals will begin to rack up over the next couple of hours and into tomorrow as well. We also have tropical storm warnings for these counties as well. Again, Montgomery, Wheeler, Telfair, also seeing some warnings for Wilcox, Dodge, Lawrence, and Trutland as well. So this will be the main impact will be in these regions. Again, we're watching for the chance to see some flooding as well as wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So those are the real main threats with this storm. But again, our flooding is our main concern. Again, we could still see flooding in counties that aren't outlined in that exact warning area. We are in a flood watch for many more counties here in central Georgia from last night until Tuesday. So that continues to be the main concern with Tropical Storm Debby. And if we take a look at our future view, again, this storm really hanging out with us throughout the rest of Monday and into Tuesday as well. You can see lingering in our eastern counties throughout Tuesday most of the day. The hope here with our future view models is that as we push towards Wednesday, then this storm will make its way towards the northeast, again pushing closer to South Carolina and getting away from us here in central Georgia. But again, still some disagreement. If we look at our long range models, you can see the Euro making that track with the storm, again pushing it further to the northeast, but the GFS model does return it back towards us here in central Georgia. Most experts are agreeing that the Euro is likely the track that it's going to make, but again, still some uncertainty as we track into the later part of this upcoming week. So we'll continue to provide you the updates as we receive them.